Hey everybody. So I just want to make this video really quick because I'm super happy and I just wanted to share it because that's what people do when they have YouTube channels and stuff like that, right? Share everything. So I am just super happy because I feel like today has been the most productive day in my whole entire software web development career history. It's just been a super productive day. I built a Python and Django blogging app. It's very simple, but nevertheless, I did build it. I deployed it. I didn't get stuck for days. I did get stuck, but I was able to figure out the errors pretty quickly. And yeah, I got it built and I got it deployed. And then on my portfolio site, I updated it as well with the new blog. And I'm just looking through my GitHub and my repositories, and I have freaking 51 repositories. Granted, they're not all, the majority of them are not huge big deals or anything like that. But there's a few on there that I'm pretty proud of. And on my portfolio as well. They're there. Namely being, well, I'll just go through them. But anyway, the whole point being, I was on my GitHub and I've just been going through all my files today and I got this blog up and running and I have my portfolio up and running and I'm editing it and I'm just getting into this flow and I'm just really, really happy. And now that I'm a student at Lambda School, it's just on the up and up for me and I'm super happy. And I hope that if anybody else is in web development and you're feeling discouraged and you're feeling like, ugh, I'm never going to understand this or it's too hard or anything like that, I just want to say, give it another shot. Get up, dust yourself off, and try again. Because as I've said before, believe you me, there's been many times that I've wanted to quit and I've just been like, I'm not smart enough to do this. I'm never going to learn what I need to learn. And it's been rough. I've had some really dark days, especially doing this and especially not being where I want to be career-wise. And over the past year, I've been on interviews and I felt like I was reaching too high. Like, I don't believe in Greek mythology and all that stuff, but who's the Greek, the story about the guy who went too close to the sun? I don't remember his name. Anyway, that's how I was kind of feeling. Like I'm just reaching too high. And I felt like with some of the rejections from some of the interviews that I've been on, I just felt like, yeah, it's never going to happen. But today is not one of those days. Today's a good day. And I just wanted to share my good vibes with everybody and just give everybody an encouraging word and say, stick with it. You can do it. There'll be brighter days ahead. But yeah, just with that, I'm just going to go over the apps that I have so far really quick, the ones that I'm most proud of. Namely being my portfolio site. Pretty happy with how this came out. I kind of made a video on this already, but yeah, this is it. Deploy skills, experience, education. It's responsive. And then this is the app that I made today. It's a blogging app, and I made it with Python and Django and Bootstrap, and I deployed it on Heroku. And it's pretty responsive as well. It's not anywhere where I need it to be. It's not anywhere near finished. I have a ton of things that I need to do with it, but let me tell you, if you don't know about deployment and just the back end and the front end and how everything goes together, it's not easy making one of these little apps. But I did, and I'm super happy. So that's my blogging app. Oh, and on the blogging app, if you go here to this app, you can sign up and I'll be able to see if you signed up And if you sign up and you want to create a post and you want to add a post, just email me. I don't have it on here yet, the emailing capabilities and all that. I'm going to be adding that. I don't have it on here yet, but you can email me at my email, meetnerdycat@gmail.com, and let me know. Or you can send me a message on any one of these. And you can let me know that you signed up, and then I'll go in the back end and I can add permissions for you if you want to post on here as well. If you want to write posts on here as well. And again, that's one of the things I'm going to be adding to it, is just the ability to do that without having to email me and let me know. I'm going to be doing that. So there's that one. And then what's this? This is kind of like a little rinky-dinky app. It was just like notes. Notes on how I kind of did this project, because I used Node SAS to do this. So I used SAS for this project. And this is kind of related to that. So then, what's next? This is a website that I've done for a friend of mine from a long time ago from school, for his business, for his epoxy flooring business. So if you need epoxy flooring, check him out. They do great work. What else? My posting app. This one I'm kind of disappointed with because I got really frustrated with it. And when did I do this? I did this last year in November, I think, 2018. And I got kind of frustrated with it because I still have not been able to figure out how to sort the posts by date on this. It's really aggravating. So I've been kind of avoiding it. But this is my posting app that I made with Vue and MongoDB and Express. So basically what you do, and you can't do it on a mobile. That's the other reason that I was frustrated with, because you can't do it on a mobile device because you have to have a keyboard. It's like, what is it? Sorry, a key down event. It's not a click event. So there we have it. But this is how it works anyway. You just create a post. Hi, this is a post. This is a post I just created today. So you do that, and then you click post. And then that's the other thing that frustrated me about it that I did not do, is clearing it after I hit post. But if you go down, all the way down, there it is. And the one cool thing about this is that you can double click on it and the post goes away. So you can delete it by double clicking on it. Just like this. But hey, I don't know who this person is. Testing app. So on February, somebody else wrote something on here. Then on February 21st they did, and then on March 7th they did, and then I have just done this today on March 12th. So there you have it. That's that one. Okay, so I have Python. This is just HTML, CSS. This is WordPress. Ugh. This is Vue, Express, and MongoDB. This is one of my favorites as well. In addition to my blogging app, this is probably my favorite because it's fun. So let's go here. And I posted this before already. Kathy, that's me. Enter your name. And you can do this one on mobile too. Hello, and that was me in my last message. Test, no, I used Firebase. Yeah, somebody asked me, did you struggle with emoji characters? I know I did when I was trying to save them to my SQL database, but you're probably using Postgres. And I was not. I'm using Firebase. And then I'm just going to say, hey, everybody again. And then I just learned on your Mac, you can do Control Command Spacebar, and you pop up your little emojis thing. And there it is. The chatting app, or real time, March 12th, 5:41 p.m. Go back here. And then this last one, this was with Node and Express and the Stripe API. And although I was able to follow the tutorial and recreate it in demo mode, like in dummy mode, I was not able to successfully create it to go live. But basically, this is kind of like a e-commerce app. And this is just a little example of something you're selling. Maybe it's an ebook and you say, oh, it's only $500. You click on it and then it comes up with your information for you to pay for it. But as you can see here, it's in test mode. I was not able to, again, successfully deploy it in live mode. But I'll come back to that. I'm not going to give up on these. Maybe I have deviated a little, but I haven't given up. So yeah, those are all my apps. They're not huge things, but again, I'm really happy that I was able to figure out how to get this far. Yeah. So anyways, I think I've run out of things to say. And again, keep your chin up, head up, keep going. Don't ever give up. Don't let them hold you down. Don't let them bring you down. You got this. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.